Okay, so today's video we're taking a look at a TENS unit. This is a rechargeable version, so very convenient. Check out a couple of images that detail some of the specifics, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. Okay, so real quickly, TENS unit, this is the box that it comes in. It does include a little carrying pouch, so you can keep everything nice and organized. It's very portable because it's very small. You get different pads. One it's a little bit longer, so it's double the size. And you get 4 of each. So these are some of the unused ones. You can use these approximately 15 to 20 times, and you get about 25 hours of use after fully charging the device, depending upon what you connect it to, how fast it's going to charge. Computer USB ports, for example, charge at a much slower rate than, say, a power bank. It does have dual channel, so this is one set here that goes in, so you have an A and a B channel, and it kind of looks like a sort of like a headphone jack in a way, but not quite. So we'll set that over to the side. Now, I've only hooked up one side, and I've hooked up one of each of these. And then you have the charging cable that's included. It's micro USB, unfortunately not Type-C. You do have a support and warranty card, so it has information you can fill out about when and where you purchased it, as well as the support email in case you run into problems. And then it has a little user manual which gives you all the specific information, of course relevant to the device, including some little images that show you different placement for the different pads in case you want to utilize it for the different purposes that it has, which are all also going to correspond on screen. So you have a power button, an intensity level adjustment, you have a mode, you have a timer, and then you have the AB, so depending on which channel you want to actually control. And then your charging port is here. And that's pretty much it. And again, very small and very portable, so very easy. We turn this on, has this screen, it illuminates, makes it very nice, very easy. You can adjust the mode. You can see it changes between the different modes. Each one of those is more detailed in the manual, so of course refer back to that in the event you want to figure out which one is which. And then you have your time here at the top, adjusted by the secondary button there, so you can see the time increase. And then you have the intensity level on the side here. Alright, so if you are pregnant, or if you have a pacemaker, like I have a pacemaker, you can't use these type devices, but other people in my family can. So just to see what the actual output feels like, since I can't test it, I'm going to have someone else test it, and we'll see what that looks like, and see if we can maybe see the muscle twitch or something, because I've seen some of these cause that. Yeah, so let's see what happens and play around with that and find out. Alright, so again, I can't test this because of a pacemaker. I don't know if it's showing up, but there's a slight twitch to the muscle, so it does actually seem to work, and it is very simple operation wise. And the intensity level, you can actually see, I don't know if you can see those bars across there, but as you increase and decrease using the plus minus right here on the side, those bars will actually change. That's what changes the intensity level, and you can actually feel the difference, or I'm told you can feel the difference. Again, I can't test it, but yeah, it seems to work really well. The pads have sort of like a sticky flypaper type soft rubbery feel to them as far as the adhesive, but it peels off and on very, very easily, so it doesn't hurt. You know, it's not going to bother you or anything like that. Of course, if you have a very hairy arm or back or wherever you're placing it, that may become a problem for you as far as placement and how many uses you can get out of it. But if your skin is smoother, you'll probably get more use out of it. But by any means, again, I don't know if you can actually see the muscle twitch, but it does, you know, cause the muscle to twitch and all. And it's probably going to be dependent upon which mode you choose as far as, you know, how and what intensity level, you know, how dramatic that effect is. But, you know, as you can see, it's very, very easy to use. You can move it. You can, you know, adjust it very quickly on the fly. And it's super, super easy to use. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick look at what this is. I think it's pretty cool. I wish I could use things like this. Unfortunately, I no longer can. But yeah, that's pretty much all of the specific details I can think of at the moment. You can actually see a pretty good amount. I think you can see the twitching right now. Yeah, it's a lot more dramatic. So anyway, that gives you a little bit of an idea of what to expect. If you want to find out more, there's going to be a link below the video. You can check that out and find out more about it. Okay? Thanks for watching.